Thanks for visiting Build Up Trades, powered by Build Up Investments, Inc. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial professional. I am strictly sharing my experiences for educational purposes only. Please do your own research with whatever information you get from me or anyone else you get on YouTube or anywhere. So, with that said, let's get into it.
Welcome to the 2026 reset. Motion versus action. Most people confuse motion with action. Motion is planning, researching, and watching videos like this one. It feels like progress, but it produces zero results. Action is placing the trade, journaling the loss, wiring the funds. In 2025, you had a lot of motion. You were busy, but were you profitable? Today, we're stopping the motion. We're hitting the hard reset button. This is the build-up protocol to clear the noise, audit your failures, and build a mathematical plan for 2026. Let's get to work. Step 1 is the hardest, the audit. You cannot improve what you do not measure. I want you to open your broker statement from last year, not the one you wish you had, but the real one. Look at your P&L. If it's red, own it. Stop saying the market was choppy. Stop saying the Fed manipulated rates. Your P&L is a mirror. It reflects your discipline or your lack of it. If you don't have a trade tracker yet, download mine for free at the link below. Go back and log your last 10 trades of 2025. Look at the notes column. Did you follow your rules or did you gamble? The truth hurts, but it is the only thing that will set you free for 2026. Step 2 is the purge. You're drowning in noise. You have too many indicators on your chart, too many gurus in your Twitter feed, and too much clutter on your desk. A chaotic environment creates a chaotic mind, and a chaotic mind loses money. Here's your assignment for this weekend. 1. Unfollow anyone who predicts the future. Keep only the people who teach process. 2. Strip your charts. If you don't know exactly what an indicator does, delete it. Price and volume are king. 3. Clean your physical space. When you sit down to trade in 2026, your desk should look like a cockpit, not a cafeteria. Step 3, the math. Stop setting vague goals like, I want to make $1 million. That is a wish, not a plan. We are going to reverse engineer your year. If you want to make $20,000 this year, and your average win is $200, that means you need 100 net winning trades. Can you find 100 good setups in 250 trading days? That's about one good trade every 2 days. Does that sound doable? Yes. Does it require leverage? No. Does it require panic? No. When you break the bit number down into daily math, the anxiety disappears. You stop trying to hit home runs and you start playing base hits. Use the trading budget tool on my website to find your number. Now for the challenge. 2026 is going to be exactly the same as 2025 unless you change your input. The market doesn't care about your resolutions. It pays you for discipline. So here's the deal. Don't just watch this video and click next. That is just motion. Take action, download the tracker, clean your desk, write down your math. Let's build up. Peace.